I will guide you how to remove an image's background in Canva. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and like the video. First of all, create a project in Canva and come over to the left and click on Uploads. If it's an uploaded image, which you wish to remove the background off, or just go and find the image elsewhere. And then all you need to do is click on it and drag it in just like this and resize it to the size you want it to be. Then all you want to do is make sure you have the image selected and head to the top over the left and click on Edit Photo. When you click there, you then need to go and locate BG Remover, also known as Background Remover. It's important to know that to use this, you will need Canva Pro. I'll put a link down below in the description so you can go and start your free pro trial. So go and check that out. And then, once you got that, come back here and click on BG Remover. It'll take a couple of seconds and it will remove the background. And what you can do is go and click on the Options button or the Configure button on BG Remover on the left here. And then what you can do is go and erase. So you can click on that tool and choose the brush size. And you can choose if you wish to erase more. I'll undo that. You can also go and restore parts of the image as well if it did too much. So you can then go make your adjustments. For example, here I want this image to be behind it. So I'll drag it in like so, and I'll just go resize it. And you can then right-click on it. And you want to go and click on Layer and click on Send Backwards. And there we go. You can then make further edits or save it. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.